You might not believe it, but becoming a power generation technician stands as the toughest trade to master. This is not just a job, it's a confluence of several trades. A blend of skills that demand a level of expertise that few can claim. Imagine waking up every day knowing you're not just a mechanic, but also an electrician, a welder, a pipe fitting specialist, and a computer programmer. Yes, you heard it right. As a power generation technician, you juggle all these roles seamlessly, making it one of the most complex and demanding professions out there. Your day begins with the hum of a generator. As a mechanic, you dive into the heart of these machines, tinkering, adjusting, and ensuring they run like a well-oiled clock. Your hands, stained with the residue of hard work, deftly maneuver around engine parts, both big and small. But the job doesn't stop there. As an electrician, you delve into a maze of wires, circuits, and connections. You navigate this labyrinth with precision, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted power supply. You respect the power you handle, aware of its potential to create and destroy. Then there's the role of a welder, where you join metal parts with an artist's finesse. You understand the language of heat and metal, creating strong, durable bonds that stand the test of time. As a pipe fitting specialist, you ensure the optimal flow of fuel to the generator. Your job is to make sure that every drop counts, every connection is secure, and every pipe is in its prime condition. And finally, as a computer programmer, you take control of the technological aspect. You decode the language of machines, making sure they communicate effectively with humans. It's a dance of digits and codes, but you lead with grace and understanding. But with great skills come great risks. Power generation technicians operate in one of the deadliest fields of work. It's a job that commands respect and caution. But the rewards, they are just as substantial. The pay scale is impressive, placing technicians among the top 5% earners. And then there's this sense of community. The industry might be small, but the bond among technicians is strong. There's a close-knit group, a brotherhood, if you will, that stands together, supporting and learning from each other. The perks are plenty too. From uniforms, cell phone, wireless hotspot, and laptop, to full insurance coverage matching 401k retirement account, vacation time, gas card, credit card, and training and certification courses. It all comes with the package. In conclusion, being a power generation technician is not a career for the typical individual. It's for those who dare to be different. Those who have the courage to master multiple trades and the tenacity to face the challenges head on. So, if you're one of those few, one of the brave, consider this as your calling. Explore the trade, dive into the intricacies, and become the person who gets things done. The power generation technician. The person your wife calls to get things done. This is more than a job. It's a lifestyle, a calling, a badge of honor, and it's waiting for you.